Welcome back. Problem number 125, valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, that means only letters and numbers, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers as well, as we said before. And given a string s, we need to return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. An example to make us understand the problem quite easy. So we have a man, a plane, a canal, Panama. If we reverse it and we removed all spaces and all non-alphanumeric characters, we will have as again a man, a plane, a canal, and a plane as at the end, and Panama as at the end. Sorry. So it's something like if we have a like A B A, this is a palindrome string because we can read it forward and backward as the same. It will be the same like A B A, and if we read it from backward to forward, it will be as well A B A. Our constraints that the string might have, it might be pretty long string, and S consists only of principal ASC characters. Okay, this is good. Okay, how could we solve these problems? First, we need to convert to lowercase and remove non-alphanumeric characters because this was one of the discussions here. So how we can do that? We can we can call it like a clean string, and it will equals s dot lowercase to lowercase. Okay. Also, we need to use we need to replace. And we'll use regular expressions. So we only need numbers and characters. So we will use regular expressions. Okay, and so we need to make sure that what is the upper and we A to okay, let me copy it because it will be easier if I did copy it, and we will here replace it with none. So okay, so again we did convert it to lowercase using a lowercase here, and after that we remove all alphanumeric characters using a regular expression. And if you want to understand how this work, okay, we can I'm not writing here. Okay, so if you want to understand how regular expression work, I could just say quite easily, or I could create like a video on regular expression, but this regular expression is used inside the replace function to remove all non-alphanumeric characters from the string. We have these slashes define the start and the end of the regex pattern, and A to Z09, this is the key part of the regex. Like we this means it's like a caret, like inside the square brackets. This means not these characters, not these characters. A to Z matches any lowercase from A to Z, and 0 to 9 matches any digits between 0 to 9. Together we matches any character that is not lowercase or digit, like if you have like spaces, punctuation, special characters, upper letters, etc. After that, we ensure that the replacement happens for all occurrence in the string, not just the first, first match. So, yeah, that's it. Next, we need to use a two-pointer approach to check if it's the palindrome, if it's a string is palindrome. And the two-pointer check, it will be that we have right and left. And okay, if we have a palindrome string, we expect that the element, the character in the end equals the character on the beginning. So if we have A, B, A, so it will A equals A, B equals B in the middle, so it equals itself. How will you do that? So let's say left equals 0 and let right will equals this string dot length -1. So the left start at the beginning and right start at the end, and we create a while loop, and you say while left is smaller than right. And I would say okay, so if the cleanse the element of the left index doesn't equal the element of the right index, if they don't equal each other, that means it's not a palindrome. We return false. Otherwise, left should be plus and right should be minus, and we return true. Okay, so let's try to discuss this more in details. So we use two pointer. We set one pointer on left, which will be at the start of the string, and we set another pointer to the right at the end of the string. We move both pointers toward the center, like checking if the character match. If any characters don't match, we return false, which is a non-palindrome. If the entire loop completes, we return true, because it's a palindrome. Let's try to run it and see if it's working. Let's submit, and yeah, it did work. So yeah, it was a quite easy problem to fix. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future videos.